Arabian gelding.
Slide it down there to turn the motor off.
Good boy. Direct rain. I know, you're doing a great job. You've done a great job with that pony. Takes a rider. Easy, baby. There you go. In hand. Let's see his trot. Nice trot. There we go. Thank you.